Speaking Task 1, Listen and Repeat. You will hear a sentence. After you hear it, you will have a short time to repeat it. Try to repeat the sentence exactly as you hear it, with correct pronunciation and intonation. You will hear 7 sentences in total. You are listening to a student talking to a professor about a class project and schedule changes. I missed the class yesterday. The deadline has been extended. I was wondering if I could still submit my assignment late. The professor mentioned that the project guidelines would be updated online. Many students were confused about the changes to the course schedule. Although I reviewed the syllabus carefully, I didn't realize that the due date had already been changed. The department decided to adjust the academic calendar to provide students with more time to complete their final projects.